You are an asset to the team. Client is very happy with your work.
Thanks, sir.
Who are they?
They're recruiters from top companies like Google, Amazon, and EY.
But why are they chasing you?
They want to hire me, but I don't want to change as long as you can give me a promotion.
Double promotion for you and a 80% salary hike. But why are you so special?
I know how to use the best of AI tools, which makes me irreplaceable at work.
And where did you learn it?
Of course, from B10X. Check this out.
Hi, my name is Aditya Kachwe and I am an alumni of IIT Kharagpur. I am someone who is absolutely passionate about AI tools and ChatGPT. That's why I have personally used more than 1400 AI tools in past 6 months and found 10 most useful AI tools for every working professional, which can save you up to 95% of your time. If you want to learn the same, I am going to conduct a workshop of 3 hours just at ₹9. So click on the link below, sign up for my workshop. I'll see you inside my workshop.